making a heart of towel origami. So we have a hand towel that we're going to fold the hot dog direction. So you have a rectangle, and you take one corner and fold it up to the middle. And then do that to the other side as well. And tuck the corners underneath the top towel, so you have a 1/2, and do it to the other side. So you have one part of the heart, and do the exact same thing with the other corners. And then you have a heart to put on a nice hotel bed.
Hi, I am going to demonstrate to you Bunny Boo Boo. Bunny Boo Boo has been around for a while. Maybe you haven't seen him yet, but it's going to take me 1 minute to teach you how to do this quick little thing. So you start by rolling one of your ends towards the middle, as tight as you can make it, and then you turn it around. Well, we'll roll it this way. You turn it around, or roll it this way. Again, as tight as you can make it, towards the middle. And you want to keep your ends open, kind of situated here. And you're going to take that, fold it over. Then you're going to take this part here, fold it on top. And then we're taking one of these hair rubber bands and go around it once or twice. And then you simply pull up the part for the ears. Now, this is for Bunny Boo Boo. So, what do you do for little kids for their boo boos? You put ice inside. 1 ice cube probably works best. And as it comes through, then they put that on their boo boos. Bunny Boo Boo, and that's how you make it.
Hi, today we are going to be making an elephant out of a towel. We're going to start here with a large bath towel, and this will be the legs of the elephant. We're going to focus on bringing our long edges to the center, so I'll start grabbing at the corners. But we're going to leave a little bit of space in the center. We're not going to bring it right up to each other so that it's easier to fold in the middle. You'll see in a second. So we've brought our 2 long ends together near the center with a small space in between. And then we are going to move to the ends and roll them in together to the center. We're going to bring them really close, and this will be the fun part to make sure it doesn't unroll as you're rolling it. I'm going to stick my elbow on over here to try and hold it together and see if I can start this one one-handed. Maybe I'll turn it. So these are going to make the legs, so we want to make sure that they're about the same size. And then we can grab our towel and fold it in half. So if he doesn't want to stay, you can try and make a bigger gap. Folding your towel, rolling your towel even tighter will help create a stronger leg. And there he is.
For the head, we need the hand towel. First, you need to fold it in half to find the center point. Then you fold to the top corner of hand towel to in the middle. Next, roll the right side. Keep it. Then the left side to meet the right side in the middle. Turn it around. And now you need to fold the middle of the white part to create a forehead. Pull the 2 corners out. Pull this part to make the ears. Then now I have the head, the leg already. Place the head on the top of the legs. And I have two eyes here.